beach house in California captures the essence of coastal living, blending contemporary design with the relaxed, open atmosphere of the Pacific shoreline. Characterized by clean lines, expansive glass facades, and minimalist materials, these homes maximize natural light and ocean views. The architecture often incorporates floor-to-ceiling windows, seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, and large terraces or balconies to embrace the surrounding landscape. The interior of a modern beach house in California is a harmonious blend of comfort and sophistication, designed to enhance the coastal living experience. Open-plan layouts create a spacious feel, with large windows flooding the space with natural light and offering stunning ocean views. Neutral color palettes, think soft whites, sandy beiges, and gentle blues, create a serene atmosphere, while natural materials like wood and stone add warmth and texture. The facade and exterior of a modern beach house in California are designed to create a striking, yet harmonious relationship with the natural surroundings. The architecture embraces simplicity and elegance, often featuring horizontal lines that mirror the horizon and the vast ocean beyond. The use of natural materials such as wood slats, stone cladding, and concrete softens the minimalist aesthetic and anchors the house in its environment, blending with the rocky coastline or sandy beachfront. A signature feature of modern beach houses is the extensive use of glass, particularly in the form of floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass doors. These expansive glass elements not only flood the interiors with natural light, but also frame panoramic views of the ocean and sky. Many homes incorporate frameless glass to create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, often erasing the boundary entirely when doors open onto wide terraces or patios. The living room in a modern beach house in California serves as the heart of the home, embodying the essence of coastal living with an open, airy, and light-filled design. Positioned to take full advantage of ocean views, The living space is typically designed with large, floor-to-ceiling glass walls or sliding doors that blur the line between indoor and outdoor spaces. These glass elements allow uninterrupted vistas of the sea and sky, while also providing access to outdoor terraces or patios, creating a seamless flow for both relaxation and entertainment. The dining and kitchen area in a modern beach house in California is designed to seamlessly blend form and function, while emphasizing an open, inviting layout that fosters a sense of connection with the surrounding landscape. These spaces are typically integrated with the living area, following an open-plan concept that enhances the home's airy, spacious feel and allows for unobstructed views of the ocean. The bedroom in a modern beach house in California is a sanctuary designed for relaxation and tranquility, perfectly reflecting the coastal lifestyle. It prioritizes natural light, unobstructed views, and a soothing aesthetic, creating a serene retreat that feels in harmony with the surrounding environment. The bathroom in a modern beach house in California is designed as a luxurious and serene space, emphasizing relaxation and functionality while maintaining a strong connection to the coastal environment. Its layout and features often reflect contemporary design principles, focusing on clean lines, natural materials, and ample light. Landscaping plays a vital role in enhancing outdoor spaces, with a focus on drought-resistant plants and native species that thrive in the coastal environment. Succulents, grasses, and flowering plants can be arranged to create visually appealing gardens that require minimal maintenance. Pathways made of natural stone or wooden decking can lead from the house to various outdoor amenities, encouraging exploration of the garden. Many modern beach houses incorporate infinity pools or spas, creating a luxurious focal point in the outdoor area. These pools often blend seamlessly with the horizon, giving the illusion that the water extends into the ocean. Surrounding the pool, comfortable loungers and shaded cabanas offer relaxation options while maintaining the coastal vibe. In conclusion, modern beach house design in California perfectly blends contemporary style with the relaxed charm of coastal living. These homes prioritize natural light, open spaces, and seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, creating serene environments that embrace the beauty of the ocean. With sustainable materials, minimalist aesthetics, and thoughtful attention to detail, California beach houses offer an elegant and tranquil retreat, embodying the ultimate in coastal luxury and comfort.